After starting 8 HP with M57, I think now it's time for something with less electronic. This is Kawasaki ER-5, as I remember. It is standing here for more than 2 years or 3. It was running, but under full throttle it was dying, so it was running like crap. And I have one more idea with carburetors, and I want to check this. Go away. Dude, I was looking for this. Can you see this? They don't like WD-40. Finally, I can see carburetors 1 and 2. The fuel was leaking and is still leaking, I think. I stuck with carburetor balancing, but it doesn't matter, because when I want full power, there was nothing. So the problem is, I think, in the needle is inside, because those carburetors are made of 2 different. There is a set inside the garage. This one, because I broke something. I think whatever, maybe I will show you. Oh, I broke this. This emulsion tube, I tightened it too much, and it's like a snake now. So here they are. I have to compare a needle from above. This is from the original, and I'm afraid I mixed all the parts. So the needles are from this one, and the rest, the jets, are from that one, and it could be a problem. Okay, first I should clean this very well, and later I will check needle. Oh, but there is a washer already. Okay. And this is from the other side. It was a little bit of fuel inside, so there is some residue, but it's pretty clean. It was clean when I cleaned it, because I cleaned it, but later I left fuel inside. So I will check this, and check this, of course. I will leave the washer under the needle. I will change the needle and testing. And now mixture screw, first spring, second washer, here and here, and later o-ring. As you can see, those are pretty flat. I have one round. And 2 all in and 2.5 out. One, 2.5. The same story here. I'm here. I will change the o-ring on the fuel inlet. Yes, now I have to change o-ring on the fuel inlet, but I have 2 of those. It was like this. Like hop. Oh. Yes, okay. I need 2 hands, sorry. Carburators are in. Battery was dead 2 years ago, so I will run with this. And now I'm trying to start and we will see. Maybe airbox will help. Next day, the same story, because we have 10 volts on the battery and everything is cold. I have no idea what will happen. Nothing. Okay, I will have to screw this. Take two. This is bullshit.